Wendy, I'm so thrilled we're doing this. Thank you so much. And this is the perfect setting in the studio as well. Let's start with you. So what is it you do? Why don't you explain what it is you actually sell or offer?
Well, it started a year ago. My name is Wendy Gilhula. I've been Wendy Gilhula for 56 years. I didn't start this year. But I was following you on Monday mornings, and I help people write their children's books, and I also tutor math. So during COVID time, I learned how to throw pottery. You taught us how to post, and then the next thing I know, I have my own little studio space, my own wheel, and my own business with it, and I am thrilled and grateful.
First up, I have to say, for everyone watching this, you are one of, obviously everyone's my favorite, but you are one of my most prized connections. You're one of my real favorites here because you aren't classically what people would do on LinkedIn. You're not, selling corporate coaching or something like that. You are doing something that people would think is really not very LinkedIn at all. And yet you understand that humans do appreciate good art. And so you're, of course, very relevant still. When we first connected, though, what do you think it was that you were missing? Because there's a lot of things you already had in place, but what thing were you needing to kind of train up?
I have no sales gene inside of me. I can sell other people's things, but it was really hard for me to sell something that I created or that I was doing.
Yeah, because this is interesting. I think there's a misconception by many that in order to move from expressing themselves perhaps through content on LinkedIn to conversion into sales, they have to become all salesy, as we know. What are you doing differently?
Well, I was at first worried because I'm, not super polished. I am who I am. I'm a little quirky. And I thought, well, maybe that won't go very well with LinkedIn, but being authentic was very important to me. So I just started posting, I'm learning this, here's my mistakes, or look what I did today. And then somebody asked me to make a word of the year mug.
Yes.
And I was like, what? And I had only been throwing for 2.5 months.
Right.
And by November 1st, with your help, of course, and sold a couple $1,000 the first month.
Wow. I'm so thrilled because you've taken something you were enjoying the process of learning and you attracted people by posting in the correct way, essentially. And that attracted people and they decided that they were keen on you, which is the crucial element at the beginning. Talk to me about the direct messages. That's where you really kind of flew in terms of the business side of things. What changed there? What did we work on together?
Well, we worked on my content first. And then asking them to contact me in the DMs. So it's not always the same thing that they contact me about. Sometimes it's the item that I created. Sometimes it's they want something. So I have to listen to what they're wanting. And then I become the doctor. I love that. That's my favorite part. and I don't tell them what they want, but I'm like, oh, I can do this and this and that. And then I send little pictures of, like the shape I'm talking about and the color I'm talking about. And most of the time because I listen to what they're saying in the DMs, I'm pretty close to what they want. And
because you're the expert, really. Yeah. It's almost like they have a concept and you take it from there, which is just perfect. So you're getting actual results, because this is what people really want to hear. It's like, yeah, it's nice. You learned LinkedIn. Good. But are there actual tangible results here? You have a studio, there's a start. But tell me the reason why you never show up each week to the group calls. What's the reason why?
I always think about you and it's in my
fine.
phone.
No, it's fine.
But I'm too busy. I'm too busy.
You're making so much pottery.
So I'm very blessed, and I can't even post very often because somebody or multiple people will DM me for something, and I have like a little bit of a back order. I'm making things for Christmas, like to-go cups. I don't even have anything in my shop right now because everything is sold out. I'm trying to catch up. I don't cook, Richard, but I make these casseroles.
I love it. That's amazing. It's so
cool. You
cool.
actually try to cook something in there.
But you're so quotable, because it's like I can't even post because I have so many orders. It's just perfect. So well done. I just couldn't be more proud of you. You are an absolute superstar, and I'm so pleased we're connected as well. And for the record, anyone watching this far into the video, yes, I did commission Wendy to make pieces for me as well. It's not all, so I really appreciate it.
I'm so proud of that. sold to Richard Moore in the DMs.
You
Hello?
did sell me in the DMs. There's something so meta about that, which is absolutely perfect. Thank you so much. I really appreciated this. And it's just wonderful to be able to catch up and share this with you. And long may it continue. You're absolutely a star.
Thank you so much. And I just want to encourage everyone to be brave and do it. And it'll get easier every time you do it. And you won't be sorry. I don't think you'll be sorry at all.